Everything you store in JavaScript has a type, whether it's a person's name, their age, or whether they are logged in. JavaScript treats each value differently. In this video, I'll explain JavaScript data types in the simplest way possible, so you know exactly what kind of data you are working with. Now, in the last video, we learned about functions and how they help us write reusable code. Today, we will be learning about the different kinds of values that functions and variables can work with. Now let's start with a real life analogy. These are all objects, but they are different kinds of things. JavaScript works the same way. Every value has its type. For instance, we say Willz, and we say 25, and we say true. These are all values, but they are different data types. A string is simply text. For example, we have hello, JavaScript, we got Willz. So as long as it's inside the quotation mark, it's a string. Next, let's talk about numbers. Numbers don't use quotation marks. For example, you can just have your number, you can have your numbers this way. It doesn't need a quotation mark. If you do like this, JavaScript will see it as a text, but when it's like this, it sees it as a number. Now next, let's talk about Boolean. A Boolean can only have two values. It can have either true or false. Now, real life example: is the light on? True or false? Is the user logged in? Has the payment been made? That's where Boolean comes in. Next, we talk about array. An array stores multiple values in order. We covered array in episode 1, so in case you didn't follow, you can go back to our previous video and follow it up. So next, let's talk about object. Object stores related information using properties. And also, we've learned about objects in episode 4. Next, we'll talk about checking data types. We have the console.log and we say type of hello. Okay, let's clear all this and let's run it and see. We have strings. Now, if we should do it again, and this time around, remove the text and we say 25. Let's run it and see we have numbers. Let's try the Boolean. And let's say true, and let's run and see we have Boolean. Typeof is a built-in JavaScript operator that tells you the type of value. Let's look at a real-life example. User, and we say the name, and this time around we use Willz. Oh, come on, we've used Willz a lot. Let's use Sarah, and age. Let's say Sarah is 22, and okay, the comma have to be here. Okay, then we say is Sarah an admin, and we say false, and we say hobbies, reading, and coding. Now you can see Sarah is a string, 22 is a number, false is a boolean, and reading, coding is array. This shows that one object can contain multiple data types. Now I have a mini challenge for you. I want you to create a variable for your name, your age, and whether you like JavaScript Boolean. Then use typeof to check each one. See you in the solution video. So right here, I'll just do this. I'll put this as Willz, and the age, let's take it to 25, or let's leave it at 22. Is admin, let's use true. So we change some things here, and we take this off, and we'll do like Boolean, and we set it at true. Okay. Now over here we do console.log type of the Willz, and we get string, and when we do the 22 we get number, and when we say true we get boolean. Okay, so if you're able to do this challenge yourself, congratulations to you. And if you are not able to do it, hope this solution video helps you. Today we've learned what data types are: strings, numbers, boolean, arrays, objects, and how to use typeof. If this video helps you understand JavaScript data types, don't forget to like, subscribe to Willz Lab. In the next episode, we will learn about variables and the differences between var, let, and const. Remember, every expert developer was once a beginner. So keep learning, keep building, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.